Hello. Good evening. My teeth hurt a lot. uh, hmm. How do I explain? The subathon's at 46. Okay, 1 second. Ooh, okay, yes. So, let me see. I went in yesterday to get my braces repaired because, you know, I said on Saturday that they broke. Again. And they decided to put elastics on. So I cannot open my mouth. This is the best I can do. So, forgive me for mumbling and other nonsense, that will occur for sure. There's no question here. It's gonna happen. Also, my teeth hurt a lot. Oh my god. But, yeah. No, that's it. That's it. I took a painkiller like 20 minutes ago. So hopefully that kicks in soon, and then the rest of the stream will go more smoothly. But, I guess if you're watching this VOD, hey. We're in for a time. And you know what? Since the tracking on this model is kind of screwed up anyways, you're not even going to notice the fact that the mouth doesn't even really move. Or my mouth doesn't really move because, well, it doesn't really move on this one anyways. But yes, I'm figuring out how to talk with, like, my mouth shut. Not great. But yes, so I'm hoping today we can finish up most of the React stuff. Because we got emotes and stuff working in YouTube and, Twitch last time. So we're pretty much down to this list, which is, you know, badge and profile images, right? We're gonna pull that from the docs momentarily. Add some padding. The emote sizes aren't even in YouTube, which we'll test with later. There's something wrong with the font. It doesn't show some stuff. We'll just confirm that it's the font and not like something else. If it's the font, I'm okay with that. Add some color for YouTube status, like the pop-up names. And then we're gonna split messages into YouTube and Twitch, because right now the messages, we have like this generic message thing. Whereas I want to have like Twitch message and YouTube message. And there'll be like a generic message, and then they just kind of configure the two of them. So I think we're going to start with that, because it's kind of easy. Like, refactoring is probably the easiest thing. And then we can do some of the easier stuff. And then finally, the theming for different themes, because like the chat box on this screen is going to be different than the chat box on the room, or even like for karaoke, right? But they need to have the same message history, which is why we're using the context but like if we switch between screens, we'd want like a different one loaded. So or displayed or whatever. So we'll figure that out. That's kind of, that might be a post-stream thing. But anyways, today our goal is like styling stuff because it's basically working. And then I guess chat can try to break it again like last week. So yeah, let's start with making a Twitch message. And a YouTube. Oops. Rename. And I'm going to just call this message. So move it. YouTube. We can move. I'll move everything else around after. So Twitch message and a YouTube message, okay? Same thing. But we're gonna get some of this configuration stuff out of the way. So yes, it's always gonna be Twitch. Okay. And the platform icon is always gonna be the Twitch icon, right? So this is now unused. We'll go over here to YouTube. We can do the same thing here. Okay. So I want to duplicate this. We're going to put that in there. Yes, move it. Yes. So for message, just thinking. Because what we want to do is, like this is shared, right? I think we want this to be a wrapper. So a message can take these. Like that. Technically, we wouldn't need a whole thing, but a whole class, but okay, so we have these two, and then this is the one that does all the actual work. This up. So parsing the emotes, that's from should be fine. So that's moved out. Should be fine. Okay. And then we've got the animation ended. Which is fine. There might be re-rendering with this. I'm not sure. This we probably want to cache. Well, actually, I don't know if there's re-rendering. So, what do we want to do? That's okay for now. Let's just update the message list to come from does the file exist? It sure does. But I have to restart. Does it not like that has the same name? Oh. That's what it is. Well, that doesn't look right. Oh, that's because, oh, yeah, okay. I know why. You see here, it creates a new message. So before the message would know which one it is and then decide. Actually, do we even need this? I don't know, some things have changed. I think we do. So we can do actually, no, let's not have this because I just realized I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move all the message stuff into the same folder. It's fine. Hi Paul, how are you doing? Oh. Okay. Try chatting. Hello, world. Okay. Let's go to YouTube. Ah, dang it. Interesting. Oh, it's data.twitch. Oh my god. We do it now. There we go. Test. Why does the font look funny? It's so strange. I don't think I was doing that before, was it? Because there's the Twitch message, there's the YouTube message, it's fine. We might have more platform specific stuff in here. Like, for example, the, maybe some colors. So you're Paul, you are. Why is it broken up like that? Look at the font. Wait, give me a second. Can you type again, Paul? Why does your stuff, is it because you're using caps at the beginning? What the? Why does yours look weird? What are you doing? You're not putting weird secret characters in there, are you? You are. Okay. Secret characters. You're messing with me. So I think that's okay. get rid of this old one. How dare you? I think it breaks the current. Yeah, it does break the current one too. Okay, I don't care then. Yes. Yes. And use message should go in here as well. Yes. Yes. So well, all the main stuff's in there. Server. That's fine. Okay. So we did a little bit of refactoring. Add padding to top of message list. We can do that. Oh. Terminate, yes. With the build. Cool, okay, so for the message list, how much padding do we want at the top here? Actually, let me set a background color. Temporarily, when we request a removal, it does nothing. Okay. So if we refresh, there. How much? Oh, it wouldn't be padding, it'd be margin, right? I think maybe it's fine. Okay. Doggo. So let's try to get the badges working. Let me open up the streamer bot docs for badges. API, what is it for? And Twitch chat. So Twitch chat. We'll grab it from Twitch first, then we'll do YouTube. We figured out already that it's the same sort of thing, though. Move that over to there. Okay, so badges. Okay, so it's called badges, I think. Okay, so that will send it for Twitch. Save and compile. Well, did it compile actually? Okay. Watch 7 out of 10 streams in October. Are you still a good boy? Well, obviously you could be better. But yes. I'm gonna be putting out give me a second. Oh, talking is very hard right now. Is mod is subscribed. Okay, so for YouTube, we can get like a profile image that we can use instead of a badge. which might be a fair compromise. Oops. I can't find the right window. Okay. Okay. So if we send messages now through Twitch, we should get this back. That and then we'll just log out so we can see what's coming through. So if I post hello world, hello? There we go. So we get broadcaster, subscriber. Yeah, those two badges. We get an image URL. Info. Oh. So we don't need to sort, but I think we can do like for each element. Do that. And then we want to push back. The source is what's it called? Image source? Image URL. And then we're going to do use the index because I feel like it. And then if we post, look at that, it's way too big, but that's fine. It's showing up now, that's the important part. An error occurred. Okay, so we're getting errors now. Oh, that might just be because I'm typing stuff though. So instead of hiding, I'm removing. Let's take a look here. The height is 1 EM. Okay, so oh, I guess they'll do it anyways. That's set over here. So we could say that message icons should have a height of 1 EM. Oh, no. Need that to stay up. Come on. Ah! Doesn't want to go through. There we go. That didn't apply, so if I do height of 1 EM. Let me see it. Okay, so so we can do that. Height of 1 EM here. Okay, and then they'll all be aligned. The other thing was that, like, okay, so that's badges for Twitch. So if we go over to YouTube, where's YouTube? That's not YouTube. Oh, right. I have to, give me a second. Here, show up. It might be ignition console. It's not valid JSON. Okay. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. So this is why I wanted to do this. So we're gonna move badges. Over here. And then over here, what we're gonna do is icons is an array, but it only has, well, I guess in this case it doesn't need to be an array, it can just be an element. Hi Jay, how you doing? That might work. So if we send a message from Twitch, okay, and then if we send a message from YouTube, oh look, there we go. Got my icon. We went around the border, like, because like YouTube has like a, it's not square, you know, it's circular. What's it for rounded corners? Border radius. Yeah, that works. Okay. So that part is done. We're stuck in ads. So badge and profile images. Okay, so we've got that done. Emote sizes aren't even on YouTube. Well, we will fix that momentarily. So I think we have thank you for the follow. The content. Okay, that's what it's called. Five seems large. Yeah. What if we resend that? I think that will fix YouTube. What were we doing on YouTube? Some of the the YouTube emojis and the other emojis would be like different sizes, but that all looks pretty okay. Maybe it's fine. I mean, if I hate it, I can always fix it. So YouTube doesn't have personalized like colors for people who post. But I think what we're gonna do is send along where's the API docs? Okay, so YouTube gives us if they're a moderator, if they're a subscriber, it doesn't tell me if it's the broadcaster, which is strange. Oh, is a sponsor. That's what they use for channel membership. I guess I can make my own is broadcaster, because I just have to compare the user ID of the message to the user ID of the broadcast, like the accounts. And then for Twitch, I guess I don't really need to know that because the badges do that for me. Well, there's is moderator, is subscribed, is VIP. Does it have a follow marker? Because like that's the annoying thing. It's like they mean two different things. Broadcast user ID, so we can get the broadcaster, right? And we can compare it. There must be a C# method to get if the user is a follower or not, because then we could include that. Not that we'll use it, but if we're gonna set it up for both, we might as well. C# methods, Twitch. User Twitch get extended info by ID. Get user info by ID. Okay. Well, I could get your profile picture from Twitch. Huh. So it can give me Twitch user info, but I don't know what that is. Class definition. Is subscribed, is moderator, is VIP. What about extended user info? Okay, so I can get if they're following from the extended info. Okay, so if we So there is the user ID. That's what we'll need regardless. Where's my reference manual? So that is the user ID. Okay. That is a string. I think. Yes. And then the extended user info is there. So we can also get from the message if they're subscribed. So there is subscribed. Okay. We got is moderator. I think we can skip VIP. We want to know if they are the broadcaster. And for that, we can do broadcast user ID. Okay, so we've got is subscribed, is moderator, is broadcaster, and then we need is following, which is following. Okay, and then we're going to put this info in. And then both of the two will be able to track I think. Compile? Save. Compile. Okay. So when we get our message, let's the data. From Twitch, because I've only set it up for Twitch. Is broadcaster true? Is following false? Is moderator true? Is subscribe true? I can't follow myself. Twitch is true. Someone else! Someone else on Twitch. Preferably if you're following me. Please, I require a chat message. Thank you. And I'm gonna go over to YouTube, and while I wait for that, because you guys will definitely post for me. You don't want to unfollow? I don't want you to unfollow. I want you to stay where you are. Is following true? Is moderator false? Is broadcaster false? Is subscribe true? Okay, it's working. Thank you, Paul. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that from here over to YouTube. Does poke works? Hi, Mickey. Yes, it does work. Thank you. Guess what? You too are following me. Thanks. Okay, so for YouTube, what's the API? Where's the doc go? So is moderator is going to be a boolean called is moderator. Now I'm gonna transfer the isms from YouTube to Twitch just because it's a little easier mentally. So for example, is subscribed will be is following, because that's what that means. Is sponsor is subscribed. And then is broadcaster is going to be broadcast user ID. Following is broadcaster is subscribed, moderator is subscribed. Okay. Compile, save. Okay, so YouTube now should be working. Your subset should say true for you. Yeah, it does. I think. Yeah. Okay, so where's YouTube? There's my info. Is broadcaster true? Is moderator true? I'm not subscribed. I'm not following. Good. Someone want to go on YouTube and post in the chat who follows? Well, actually, maybe it'll work just fine as is. Okay. So what we're gonna do is, you know how color, data.color, we're gonna mutate data right here. Or actually, yeah, we can mutate it here. So if I'm a broadcaster, let's say it's red. Go to YouTube. Okay, so we can use that. Well, that's if we really want to, but I think maybe what I'll do actually is user role. Okay. Instead of constant. Yeah. So we're gonna add Hi Mom, how are you doing? Oh, yeah, that's because I'm doing stuff. Basically what we're gonna do is have this trickle down. So first is follower, okay? The next one is going to be a subscriber. Then we have an is moderator and a broadcaster. So in terms of priority, right? If you're a follower, you get the role class is assigned. If not, it's going to be empty. If you're a subscriber, it overrides whatever was there. Otherwise, whatever. So you could, for example, be a moderator but not a subscriber, or not even a follower. But yeah, then we'll get that there. And then what we will do is for YouTube, broadcaster And we're looking for, when it's a broadcaster name. The color, say it's blue. Okay. So if I go to YouTube, wherever YouTube is, there we go. And then what are our other options? Moderator, I guess. So I think what we will do is that one for here. Mods can have a green. Oop. The followers. What color would Twitch chat like? Or not Twitch, YouTube. I think for subscriber, because I don't have any, we can do like a pink. Or we could do red for the Akasupa. No, we'll do like a pink. On a super bright pink. And then a follower can just be I don't want black, because black is default. I guess we could do like an orangey color. Yeah. So then I can kind of know at a glance, because you don't have badges on YouTube, so hi, Tired Mover, how you doing? Well. Well. Yes, the reactjs Empress who has elastics on their braces now. And it hurts real bad. I got them yesterday. I can't really open my mouth. Actually, wait, let me show you. We're in a good position. Let me show you. This is how much I can open my mouth. It's like nothing. Okay. I can't go more than, well, I can, but it would hurt a lot. It already hurts. But you can't tell as a chibi because the tracking's broken. I did find out why the tracking is broken when I was doing the witch model. I have to spend some time fixing it. It won't take too long. It's just I have to redo the additional, like the additional rigging that I did. So I don't want to do it. I'm lazy. Alright, so we've got YouTube status as color. Okay, so now we've got the styling things. So when y'all were breaking everything, because that's what you guys do, right? It breaks the text, right? So I'm wondering if, well, we'll try fixing it on Twitch first. Where's the API? Because they have quite a few options here. They've got like message. Because I think what we're sending right now is message. Message, yeah. They've got message. They've got input escaped. They've got raw input escaped. So I'm gonna try raw input escape and we'll see what shows up. Because I think messages, yeah. Give me a second, I'm swapping it around, hold. Okay. Try breaking it on Twitch with your weird characters. I swapped it to raw message escaped. Okay. Okay, so we're getting a bunch of extra. What about if we put in that weird thing that Paul sent me earlier? The extra characters. Oh, it still breaks. Okay. That's a font thing then. But that does not do what I want it to do. So I think we probably want to keep it as message then. Did I copy your message? Oh, I sure did. Okay, so I think, yeah. That means it's a font thing. Let me log when you guys send messages. Let me log it. refresh here. Okay, go. Is the length cut off? So yeah, if I send in some of the weird messages, okay, so it did print it out correctly. Was it the Zalgo snowman? Yeah, so Twitch is sending that snowman. Like that. Okay, so I might regret this one. Let me just change it to, what's it called? Raw input. Don't break it. And if I send it, oh, it still comes across the same. Okay. So that is literally Twitch doing that. That's not even a font thing. Oh, I didn't put overflow hidden. I think because you can see here, this is the raw message I'm getting from Twitch. So I think it's Twitch that's cutting you off. Okay, so let me see. So we know that this is Twitch. We know that this is also, this is font. On YouTube, the earn emoji, wait. Oh, YouTube is sending me a bunch of question marks. If I copy those question marks back into chat, oh, it comes across. So it's a font thing. Okay, so since this is a Twitch thing, this is a font. This one's a font. So I don't care about that. I can't fix Twitch and what it sends me, and the font is what the thing looks like, so we're good. How are we for, so before I figure this out, let's, they're Unicode filters. So if I send a single hi message, we get double render. I would rather we not get a double render. Why is that happening? Let's just double check that it's not. You know, something. Okay, we got it twice. Is that from one of these? No. So, is it from one of these? Well, no, it wouldn't be. That many times? Why? Because we get it twice. We hit message. List. Is it the provider? No. So it's probably the WebSocket. Nope. Okay. So it's the app. app that must be doing it. Oh, is it because of strict mode? Strict mode. Give me a second. Yeah, it's strict mode. Okay. Why do you have a comma there? Go away. Okay, it's because of strict mode. That's fine. Okay. But strict mode doesn't run in prod, right? That might be fine. Okay, so we figured that out. So that's fine. We'll just turn that off for the moment. So we get it 5 times the message context. Okay, so context value. So it's not this. There's something to do with the WebSocket context. As soon as it's added, it starts blowing up. Okay. It might be because of the ready state. I don't actually need that. Okay, so we're still getting 4 hits. Good night, Dr. Leaf. Thanks for joining. But it's like, it's only the use of last JSON message that's causing the re-render. Does these context context causes a render when its value changes, which makes sense. Is this changing though? No. Message event. That's because we connected. So if it hasn't changed, I guess it... But I don't think we don't want to memo. We don't want to memo it, the object. Like, it also hasn't changed. Maybe I need to put it. No. Where is the should component update? Oh, maybe it's something with deconstructing it. No. Do we maybe memo? Listen, I wanted the new hooks. What's the reducer? Maybe we just use a reducer here. Or do not call hooks inside use effect or use memo. I thought so. Yeah, I don't think you can do that. Okay, so it's a hook. If we change this value to be empty like this, yeah, it's still getting called. So it must be like the WebSocket hook itself that's causing it to go off. Yeah. Can you even... I don't like it re-rendering when nothing's changed. If we do hi welcome. I just want to test this out. No, that doesn't do anything. Okay. That's fine. Hi Bob, how you doing? That's really annoying that it like, but it must be because of the ready state, right? Like what's going on in the WebSocket here? Data, hello. Okay, well that's different. Ready state 1, ready state 0. Null, 0. Null, 0. Then it changes to ready. Wondering everyone's like, how do I change the state without re-rendering? That's not how this works. I want to ignore a re-rendering when this is like the WebSocket can change. That's fine, but I don't want. This hasn't changed. Because I wonder if I did like... No, it still gets sent through. Okay, well... It doesn't when this is static, right? No, it still does. Okay, well... This is telling it to re-render. So I'm gonna give up on that. We'll just deal with it. So your message provider says to update, I guess. Why do we need... Oh. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, then if we send a message to Twitch, it, okay. We're gonna chat box? Yeah, we're almost done. I'm just checking the performance stuff. I mean, there's the routing for the different modes, but I'm trying to reduce re-rendering as much as possible. We get the 4, that's fine. And then if we say hi again, we get a 5th one, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, and then it's added a message when it connects. So then we get 5 of them. And then if we say hi again, we're gonna get a 6th message. What do we get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more. That's annoying. Okay. That's fine. Use messages, whatever. For message itself, we'll print out with the ID, and let me turn off strict quickly, because it might just be I think if the messages aren't re-rendering when we send a bunch of stuff in, we get a Twitch message render. Okay, so at least on the Twitch message front, it's not re-rendering it. So it'll be the same for YouTube. But it gets hit. This one gets hit multiple times. Why? Might be the context. Like if we just get rid of that for a second. Let me send another one. Yeah, so obviously it's pushing it through when we hide, which makes sense. But yeah, okay. So even if this isn't re-rendering because of this, this is re-rendering. I didn't want to have to memo like this stuff, but like literally the data's not changing. Like once we get it, it's here. So instead of doing this, we could pass it like this. Not what I want to do, but okay, well, it's not rendering now. Well, hey, that works. It's ugly, but it works. That way, you don't have to worry about memoizing any of this. It just works. All right. Do you guys want to try breaking it? It's up on the top. It's a widget. I should get rid of the sending the message. We don't need that anymore. So if we go over to YouTube, yeah, see, we got both of them show up now. I think it will work now. There we go. I got working chat box. And we shouldn't get any more spam from YouTube or from Streamlabs. Oh, look. See? There's YouTube. Or not YouTube. YouTube's not sending those messages. Otherwise, the other one would be going off. And hey, we're supporting the right emojis now. But yeah, that's a Streamlabs thing. Oh, thank you for the follow. But yeah, that's literally what we were setting out to fix. Okay, so then the only thing is like different themes, right? Obviously with the CSS we can change things around, but it's just like maybe this is easier than I want. Like, let me see. Okay, because I'm using Vite. Multi-page app, okay. So I have to make a new index.html. And put it in the roll-up options. Okay. Give me a second. So that means that we need to I am going to what does it want me to do? New folder. I'm gonna call this like pages, I think. And it needs to go under, well, actually, I don't have to do that. I can just duplicate. Let me change this to, let's call it, this. And instead of main.jsx, we're going to call you actually, no, that doesn't work because then I'd have two different apps. But I want one app with different pages. So we would want to like, do I have to do the React router? Or what did they used to call it? Everything changes all the time. Because it used to be, what did it used to be? It wasn't Redux, I think. Okay, so what I need to do, there's this thing called React Router. W3 says use React Router. That's what I'm going to use. W3 has never steered me wrong. Okay. Okay. And then we import browser router. Okay. Okay, so if we did like this, I'm literally copying from the tutorial, then it should still work. Roots is not defined. Okay. So if we send a message, okay. So I think what we want to do is put the routing inside of the app. Okay. And we want to do it WebSocket provider. Message list. Message provider. Yeah. So we're gonna move going to keep that as is. Okay. Over here, we're going to wrap our contacts around, our providers around this guy. It will be the message list. Message provider is not defined. That's fine. Okay, and then if we send another message, it still works. Okay, great. So this is our message list. That. So we have a theming question, right? I want one URL to point to one chat box style and another URL to point to a different one. Do I need this CSS here? Or can I import it higher up? Right? Like, do I need this at this level? Right, like if I type hi, it's still applied. Okay. And is that because of it up here? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. So if we move it into message list instead, and then let's go like that. Shows up. Okay, so what this means is we can create a new okay. We're going to import our CSS. We're going to go over to here and import message list here. And this is right. And over here. Okay, so it's showing up. So let's say we change the path to be like game dev. Okay, and then if the root is empty, we can just not render anything. Or actually, we could just render a paragraph that says hi. Okay, so there's hi, and then if we change this to say game dev, and then we say hello, it works. Okay, so the routings work. Okay, cool. So that means if I ever want to change the CSS, we can do it. Evil game dev hi. Hello. You're afraid of the stream. Oh, we just got it working in like what, 5 minutes? It's fine. It's easier than it used to be, I'll tell you that much. Okay, so since we've got that working, I want to extract the CSS from here that's related to the game dev like stuff. And I'm going to go to here because I think that the app stuff should stay up high for like the global stuff. Or actually, most of this is actually related to just nothing should ever work that fast. But it works. I mean, we've done 3 streams on it, but it works. Index.css is everything. App.css is here. I'm gonna move that into index. I'm gonna remove app.css. We're going to import this is game dev chat box .css. We'll refresh that. Get not found. Right, that's because I have to rebuild. Message list. Oh, you don't need that. Don't worry about it. And then if we send a message, it works. Okay, cool. So that's messaging. So I'm gonna put that in there, move it. Yes. So that one's fine. You're getting the message list from messages. And then the app is getting it from chat box. And let's test that YouTube is still working. Hi, YouTube. YouTube is still working. Let's go. Okay. Now, the only thing I want to test is actually, the one on the just chatting stream, 1 second. Over here, I'm gonna mute that. This one is different because it stays showing the whole time, so that might have to be other work, but it's mostly styling because everything's working. Right, so when we route it to the front page, we'll just have it be empty. And then that means that we can change this to point to game dev. And then there we go. It's working. Cool. So we can use the routing to basically this little app. If I start it every time I go to stream with the streamer bot, then I just go to different pages in the browser source and it should be okay because the server will still have the same info, theoretically, maybe. I guess we'll find out later. Okay, so let me see. Let me close this because we don't need it anymore. Oop, well, that's the wrong thing. You guys don't need to look at YouTube. Okay. npm run what is it again? It's not dev, it's preview. I was gonna write prod. All right, try to break it. Go for it. Big fan of breaking things. Go for it. Actually, I'll move it over here so you can see the old one. I think there's a start, what is it? Streamer bot started and We can do it when OBS is connected. It goes crazy? What do you mean? What am I looking for? Command? No. Can streamer bot send a run something or not execute? System, run a program. Ooh, okay. Working directory. What directory is this in? Oh, in the software folder. Of course it is. Okay. Yes, run from here. I would like you to run a batch script for me. Thank you. New text. And we do npm run preview. Okay, cool. It's running. Yes. Terminate. So if, wait a second. OBS, what do we want to do for OBS? Well, maybe it's okay. If we test the trigger, okay, now it's running in the background. And it's showing up. Set source visibility, filter, media state. don't think we really want to. I would just want to refresh the cache, but refresh browser when scene becomes active. Maybe we do that. That way when we switch over, it'll show up. So let me see, we'll test this trigger. It shows up. It's fine. Let's just refresh it. Okay. And I guess this is gonna have to be a thing I remember to close. Because I don't think StreamerBot. I don't think you're able to, wait. It might be fine. It'll just be another window for me to close. That's fine. We don't have to change it all around, I don't think. Okay, so I think what we'll do for the chat box is, where's my overlay? We'll hide the old chat box. We'll put the new one over here. Okay, so we're using the new one now on this screen, and we'll use it for a bit to see if it breaks. It can't be as bad as the existing one. with a million YouTube messages that pop up all the time. And if it works out well, we'll make a new, like another style for the other page. Does it have a weird animation? Oh man. It might. But that might just be CSS as well. But yeah, I think our biggest issue with all the things will be solved. Man, my teeth hurt so bad. Am I proud of myself? I guess. I used the new stuff. I don't think the architecture I did really broke anything. I did all this without committing a single piece of code. Things I should have done, made a repo. We fly by the seat of our pants. It's not that bad. The performance isn't bad either. I mean, we shouldn't have like super laggy screens or anything, so you know. What else? Yeah, it's pretty much just styling it and stuff. I don't know if I want to do other pop-ups though. Like, I would really like to do the community goal thing. I don't think Streamlabs has a Twitch channel goal. Well, maybe they do. 1 second. Triggers Twitch channel goal progress. Oh, they do. Wait a hot second. This is a follow, subscription, new subscription. Oh, wait. Does it not give it for like channel rewards? Give me a second. Twitch. So I can do like box them and stuff. but it's not. That's the annoying thing. It's like, how am I supposed to, like with the community goal, there doesn't look like there's anything that I can use to, Oh, community goal. Wait. Remove the streamer bot 1.0. Ah! Twitch removed it from their API. Man. Does it actually not work though? Give me a second. I'm gonna see if I can. Okay, so if I delete that trigger. Does someone want to... Actually, wait, I can do it. Give me a second. My other account. Subathon. Just put in a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't work. Like, I can test it out on my side, but it doesn't work. That's such a shame. Because it's annoying how I have to like manually copy over the subathon, like the community goal stuff, when it's literally just a progress bar. But since I did contribute to it, I guess I should update it. Speaking of which, if you want the subathon in December, put your points where your math is. Hi Fluffy, how are you doing? Good, we finished the chat box. We're gonna test it out for a bit. Updated. Thank you, Sven. Is it Siphon? Sven? Okay, so then let me see here. Yeah, let me see if Twitch said anything about the... I got elastics on my braces yesterday, so I'm not having a good time. What is it called? Is it called a... Yeah. Okay, I found the announcement about the Pups Up going down. Yeah, I've had braces since June. They put the elastics on yesterday. I went in to get my braces repaired and they were like, oh hey, it's 2 weeks until your next appointment. Let's just shove on some elastics. And I'm like, what? So I also got them rewired yesterday. I don't have any food prepared. That is easy to make or anything and eat. So I'm just kind of like wandering the house. I have like bagels that I had bought to eat over the next couple weeks. So I'm like, well, I guess I'm gonna have to freeze these because I can't open my mouth. This is the best I can do. So, you know, kind of hungry. Oh man, I had soup for dinner because it hurt. Event sub? What is this event sub thing? Twitch? Sorry about the pain. Hope it feels more normal. So, yeah, they said it would take like 3 days, so hopefully it gets better. But I've had so many painkillers. Last night I couldn't sleep really. Like, can I connect to a web WebSock? They have webhooks. They have WebSockets. Okay. Subscription types: automod, message hold, channel followed, ad break, clear. Like, they have the guest stuff that they've added. Channel points redeem, channel points custom reward. Hi for Emmy. How am I doing? We've been discussing my braces because I got elastics now. But yeah, other than that, I'm fine. I'm tired. We finished with the new chat box. So we're gonna test it out for a couple weeks to see how it is, and then maybe we will it's midnight here. It's midnight. Oh god, it's midnight. I have to wake up. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow morning. Oh boy. Did that goal begin? What is considered a goal? Is it? Okay, but what is a channel goal? Channel goal types, I don't know. Pipe chains, shield mode, shoutouts. Oh. Yeah, okay. No. They just don't have the community stuff anymore. So annoying. Where does that value get updated? Give me a second. Can't I just like monitor it? Right? Like, can't I monitor that value? Where's it coming from? Where's the network? Too much effort. I'm lazy. Never mind. We'll just have to deal with the fact that the subathon thing looks bad. That's so annoying. Why would they do that? Well, anyways, that's good. We got the chat box being updated is good. It'll at least fix that really annoying bug that kept going off all the time, where Streamlabs would just like shit itself. It couldn't even do YouTube's emojis either. Like, come on. So that's fixed. So now it won't just like randomly go off and fill up the whole screen. And we've got everything in place to do different themes in the future, so that's fine. I wish I could do the subathon one though. Then I wouldn't have to ever update it. Maybe we make my overlay more fancy over time. Because like the emote thing, we can probably not. Right now I'm writing to a text file, but like we could probably render something funny. Or fun? Not funny, fun. You know? So yeah. Okay. I have dentist. Ugh. So next week we're gonna do which is like fill out a tax thing or else. Okay, so let me add that to my to-do list. Stop yelling at me. Yeah, next week we'll do Katayla stuff. Because I posted in the update on Saturday that we're gonna redo some older areas on stream for the next little bit. So we'll see how it goes. Mostly like the give me a second. I'll show you the area. So we have like biomes now. You can kind of see them, like distinct biomes, right? But these two areas are just kind of whatever. So, because they were done before I had the biome stuff done. So we're gonna go into this area here. I guess it's more like this. Basically everything between the forest and up here, right? And we're redoing the vegetation and stuff because it's like here you have like some distinct areas where it's like, oh, this is the picked flowers, right? Or oh, this is where the autumn trees are, or you know, down here we have like something like that too, right? Here's that one pond, you know, there's always something that makes it a little bit more unique. But I've gotten lost over here. And it's kind of just like it all looks the same except for like over here. So we're gonna fix that. And then once we're done fixing that, we're going to, this is the demo area. And we'll fix this area up over here. But this is last because it's like literally the demo, so I have to like make sure it works. Beta testers can suffer over here. But the demo needs to work. So that one's last. But this will be the focus at least until January on stream. I'm not going to be doing it off stream. off stream I'm gonna be doing other stuff, so that's the next week's stream. And then we got Elden Ring on Saturday. So that'll be fun. Let me see. So where am I gonna raid? Only Block Boy is live. Therefore, Block Boy shall get our raid. Thank you for joining, everyone. Have a good rest of your week. And I will see you guys on Saturday. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye, good night.